this is our theorem, and this is your problem. And so this number, that's square root 3, corresponds to, think of this as b to the y equal x. So your b is square root 3, your y corresponds to pi, and then you've got your x. So log base b, that'll be square root 3, and of x, what is my x? Well, it's x equals pi. The way I like to look at it is square root of 3 to what's on the other side of the equal sign equals whatever's here. This raised to this equals that. So your expression is going to be log square root 3 x equal pi will be your answer.